My friends, welcome back to another great episode. We're going to be breaking down the next three spiritual laws of success, which is the law of least effort, the law of intention and desire, and the law of detachment. So get ready to take your spiritual journey to the next level. Here we go. My friends, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Coach Luis Soto. I'm a body, mind, wellness coach. And on this channel, we focus on the trilogy of wellness, which is meditation, spirituality, and life coaching. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and get ready to take your spiritual journey to the next level. So today, we're going to focus on law 4, 5, and 6. Spiritual law number 4 is called the law of least effort. If you look around the universe, nature operates from a place of least effort. The grass doesn't try to grow. The sun does not try to rise. The birds don't try to fly. Everything comes from a place of least effort. There is no resistance in the universe. Therefore, because we are connected to the field of pure potentiality, which is our essence, there shouldn't be any effort in our part to attract, to become, to be, and to have what we want in our precious life. So in this law, you want to be present on the resistance. How much are you trying to make things happen? Think about the law's least effort. It doesn't judge. You know, when the sun comes out naturally. The sun does not judge you, nor should you be judging anything that happens in your life. So try to practice non-judgment and everything that is happening in your life right now. Whether it be the good, the bad, the ugly, doesn't matter. Practice this law, the law of non-judgment. When you are not judging, you now are able to step into the present moment. And when you're able to step into that present moment, woohoo! You tap into the law of least effort, which is stepping into uncertainty. Uncertainty. Think about this. You're working hard on projects and you want it to manifest in a particular way, but the universe operates from a law of least effort. Therefore, when you step back and you tap into that law of uncertainty, you're now able to glide in that state of flow. And then things start to show up into your life spontaneous with least effort. Now you could have an expectation of what you want to attract. But you are in a place of like, you're just flowing. You're in that state that you know is going to happen. And you're not forcing it. And you're not defending your point of view. I also want you to practice this sense of being open-minded when you're talking to someone and somebody's trying to convince you of an idea, a concept. A lot of times we're very resistant. Now that's not part of least effort, right? We're going to be open-minded and we're going to allow the universe to reveal the magic to us. And when you start to implement that into your life, not being defensive, being open-minded, being in the present moment, releasing your intention, releasing your goal, and then allowing the uncertainty to just show up in your life. The more uncertain things are in your life, the happier you should be, because that's when miracles happen. You don't need to know all the steps. Allow the universe to handle the details, and you will be in that state of least effort. That takes us to the law number 5, which is the law of intention and desire. Now, you might have an intention to be the best version of yourself, and then you have this desire that you want to create a new business. You want to start a side hustle. You might even want to be in a brand new intimate relationship. My friends, that is all great. It is that intention, right, that allows you to come from a place of possibility. Intention does not take into account your past, your artifacts of the things that you have done in your life. No. An intention stays in a stillness of oneness. It lives in possibility. And in that intention, you got that desire to be the best version of yourself. And when you set that intention, you implement this law by going into the stillness. And when you're in that stillness and you're resting in meditation, you are now planting that seed of your intentionality and your desire in this fertile ground of possibility. And you allow that new vision to germinate. You will imagine with your imagination faculty, and you start seeing it come to life. That's the only thing you need to do with the law of intention and desire. You set the intention from a place of your heart, of your soul, and your mind, and you connect to the desire, something that you've been dying to do, that the universe is calling you to give it birth. You step into the stillness, you plant the seed, and you allow it to start to form into creation. That leads us into law number 6, which is the law of detachment. So, my friends, this law, when you start applying the law of attachment, you're going to see how all the laws are always working interconnectedly. But the law of detachment is really practicing the law of trusting, of knowing. So when you plant that intention in the field of pure potentiality, you have this desire to be the best version of yourself. When you come out of the stillness, it is the law of detachment that allows you to now continue with your day and not give it any energy, but just kind of like believe and have a deep knowing that it's coming, and you feel it. And when you detach from outcomes, it's very easy to not start to stress about your life, because you're trusting that the universe is handling the details. And that's one thing about these spiritual laws of success. They're operating automatically 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they will never stop operating. Now, the difference is when we become aware and we become conscious of them, we start seeing the manifestations in our reality. We start seeing, we start feeling, we start walking with this place of assurance, of flow, of ease, of grace, because we are all connected to this universal intelligence, the infinity of wisdom is within all of us. And when these laws are starting to operate in our life, we connect to stillness and to bliss. Woo! My friends, this was really powerful. Make sure to stay tuned for the last of this series where I break down the last spiritual law of success. So I'm not going to tell you what it is. You must tune in to the next video. Before I leave, make sure to download my free guided meditation, which will help you to start implementing these laws. There's a link down that you can get the book. And then also, there's also a link for Audible. Now, the beautiful thing is you might not have time to read, but you could listen to these powerful books. And the beautiful thing about downloading and clicking the link on Audible, I have a free 30-day. You don't need to do anything. You just click the link. Audible's giving you 30 days for you to try it out, a trial basis. You're also getting like 2 titles of your choice. That's all for the generosity of Audible. And that's going to be down below. My friends, thank you so much for tuning in on this channel. That's what only thing you're going to receive. You're going to receive power, information, meditation, spirituality, life coaching. I'm grateful. I'm thankful. Thank you so much. And you continue on that beautiful spiritual journey that's going to bring the treasures of all that you desire. I'll see you in the next video.